2 plus 2 which gives us 4 and 3 times 4 which equals to 12. Here 24 divided by 12 is just 2. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, and multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to this addition and subtraction, okay? Therefore, in this expression there is one division here, one multiplication here, and inside the parentheses there is an addition. So first we have to do this parenthesis, and next this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis. 2 plus 2 which gives us 4 and 24 divided by 3 times 4, okay? Therefore, here division and multiplication, as I have told you that according to Pemdas, division and multiplication has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore, here we have divide this number first. Therefore, 24 divided by 3, which gives us 8. Then 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? The correct answer of this problem is 32.